Okay, let's go.
Mental stability is a function of having one reliable anchor point amidst the constant noise of your daily schedule. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a customized 5-step daily centering ritual. The goal is to ground your thoughts and set deliberate intentions before the morning's obligations begin. To start, you only need 4 tools: a blank journal, a pen, a 10-minute block of time, and a sensory trigger, like a candle. For this system to work, you must prioritize consistency over perfection. Taking 10 minutes to set this foundation is a necessary step toward directing how you spend your time. Step 1 involves establishing strict physical and temporal boundaries. Block out 10 minutes on your calendar and designate a specific, clean corner of a room where this ritual will happen. Returning to the same physical spot every day acts as a neurological trigger, signaling to your brain that it is time to slow down. Step 2 is the sensory transition, by lighting the candle or playing ambient music to mark the start of the practice. This chart shows an erratic heart rate stabilizing into a rhythmic sine wave. Initiate this state by taking 3 deep breaths. As your breathing pattern stabilizes, external noise points drop off the chart, transitioning your nervous system into centered awareness. Step 3 is journaling for clarity. Externalizing your thoughts makes them easier to manage. Open your notebook and answer the first prompt: what am I grateful for today? Follow that with the second prompt: what do I want to focus on? You aren't writing an essay here. Keep it to a few honest sentences. Writing these answers prevents mental loops and gives your day a deliberate direction. Step 4 involves releasing stored tension through physical movement and visualization. Perform 60 seconds of gentle stretching or mindful walking. While moving, visualize yourself handling the day's upcoming tasks with complete calm. During this movement, repeat these affirmations: I am centered and capable, and I welcome peace and clarity. Step 5 is tracking the habit to mark the ritual as complete. By checking it off in your journal, you physically close the practice loop and reinforce the progress you've made. Take a final, silent moment of gratitude for dedicating this time to your own well-being. Closing the loop this way turns 10 minutes of calm into a concrete psychological win that builds over time. You now have a complete 5-step centering ritual. The space is designated, the journal is ready, and your alarm is set. On busy mornings, shorten the ritual instead of skipping it. A 5-minute session maintains your habit, while skipping it provides zero value. Habit formation relies on the frequency of the action. Repeating this consistently ensures that even brief daily inputs compound over time. Every time you execute this ritual, you prioritize yourself. You turn your well-being from a vague concept into a tangible daily practice.